Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, we are going to discuss about how to convert estimates to invoices with deposits in Freshbook. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to convert a Freshbook estimate to an invoice with a deposit, you must go to Freshbooks. So once you are in your Freshbook accounts, you need to first convert the accepted estimate to a full invoice and then add a deposit as a negative line item. Once you have done this, you need to first find the accepted estimate and choose Convert to Invoice. Once the invoice is created, add a new line item for the deposit and set its description to the deposit as well. Now you can enter the deposit amount as a negative value to subtract it from the total due. So by doing this, you can simply convert estimates to invoices with deposits in Freshbooks. You can also add the deposit to the invoice to do so. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video. We will be back again really soon.